Hello everyone. Today we will go step by step through the process of adding a GoDaddy domain to your Shopify store. Let's begin by opening your Shopify dashboard. On the left side menu, find and click on Settings. From the Settings page, choose Domains. Here you will see an option that says Connect Existing Domain. Click on it. Type the GoDaddy domain name that you want to connect. After typing your domain, click Next. Shopify will detect that your domain is registered with GoDaddy and offer a quick connect option. Click Connect automatically. A new window will open asking you to log in to your GoDaddy account. Enter your GoDaddy username and password. If you have two-factor authentication turned on, complete the verification step. Once you are logged in, GoDaddy will ask for your permission to connect your domain to Shopify. Click Connect to approve. Once your domain is verified, you can set it as your primary domain in Shopify. Your Shopify store is now connected to your GoDaddy domain and ready for customers to visit.